Hello friends, today's topic, last 2 days, small correction in markets. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After 7 days of positive closes, Indian markets fell marginally yesterday and fell more significantly today. Nifty had rallied by 8% in short period from 11th April to 23rd April. If I had pumped in more than 29,500 crores the last 7 trading days. Due to the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, India has already taken some initial steps to oppose Pakistan since it believes that Pakistan is supporting such terrorists. However, it is not clear as of now whether India will take any military action against Pakistan. PM Modi has announced that India will take all steps necessary to bring justice to the victims of the recent attack. Yesterday, Pakistan had started firing on Indian forces along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian forces also retaliated against this. Pakistan has also warned India that in case India takes any military action in response to the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Pakistan will also retaliate with force. This is the main reason for the weakness in our market today. Although Nifty had fallen around 1.3% intraday, finally it closed 0.8% only. Mid-cap index was down close to 3% but closed around 2.5% lower. Small cap index had fallen around 3.5% but recovered to close 2.5% down. So far, most of the quarterly results announced by companies have not been very good. As per a study by Money Control, operating profit growth for the January-March 2025 quarter is low due to subdued demand. An analysis by Money Control of 111 companies, excluding energy, banking, insurance and financial services, revealed that operating profit grew just 6% year on year, which is the slowest in 5 quarters and the 7th consecutive quarter of single-digit growth. Anyway, it seems like good opportunity for institutional investors to book profits since it is not clear how this geopolitical tension with Pakistan will progress in the coming days. As per analysts, many investors are expecting the current tension to rise and hence prefer to book profits and wait for some days. Historically, stock markets have generally seen a knee-jerk reaction on account of geopolitical risk in the short term but have then recovered and gone ahead. The Kargil confrontation between India and Pakistan, for instance, saw a sharp market correction in mid-1999. However, the market rallied sharply as investors realized that the conflict would not last long. While investors may be nervous and stay cautious, there is no need to panic at this stage. A full-fledged war is unlikely, but short-term tensions can continue with India and Pakistan. Due to the current situation, India went up by around 6% today to 17. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think India should retaliate with military action for the Pahalgam attack? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.